I'm Fabio Guerini, Product Manager for Mapei's sealing and bonding line. Today, I would like to present MAPEPUR All-in-One Expanding Polyurethane Foam for Insulating and Soundproofing Applications. It's the ideal product for filling voids and gaps in buildings to improve their insulation against heat, cold and noise. Thanks to the special multi-purpose can, it may be used for either manual application or with a special gun for expanding foam. For manual application, remove the cap from the can of MAPEPUR All-in-One Foam, screw on the feed tube supplied with the can, and mix the contents of the can by holding it upside down and shaking it for at least 30 seconds. Extrude the product by pressing the small trigger on the feed tube. When you have finished extruding the foam, remove the feed tube from the can and clean the tube and valve on the can of MAPEPUR Universal G foam with special MAPEPUR cleaner. For gun application, mix the contents of the can by holding it upside down and shaking it for at least 30 seconds. Screw the can of MAPEPUR All-in-One Foam to the special gun, open the valve at the back of the gun, and press the trigger to extrude the foam. When you have finished extruding the foam, unscrew the can from the gun and clean all the external parts with MAPEPUR cleaner. The internal circuit of the gun must also be cleaned. To do this, screw the can of MAPEPUR cleaner to the gun and spray for a few seconds. Also, clean the valve of the can of MAPEPUR All-in-One, again with MAPEPUR cleaner. The rest of the can of MAPEPUR All-in-One and the gun can then be used again at a later date. After it has been extruded, MAPEPUR All-in-One Foam expands and swells to fill voids and gaps in buildings, improving their level of insulation and soundproofing and living comfort.